Hey guys, welcome back to Builds by Maz. In this video, I'll show you how you can replace your old ceiling lights in just a couple of minutes with something much more modern and efficient, even if you don't know anything about electrical wiring. These LEDs also produce a lot more light than older fixtures, so you'll be able to really brighten up your home. Let's get started. The first step with any electrical project is to cut off power at the circuit breaker. To be sure you've done it correctly, try turning on your ceiling light and make sure there's no power going to it. I'll show you how to remove a couple of the older light fixture styles, the first being this bowl-shaped one. These are held in place by a few screws going around the upper rim. All you need to do is unscrew them while holding the bowl with your other hand. It should release fairly easily. Then there will be two longer machine screws that attach the fixture to the ceiling electrical box. Loosen those up and you can remove this next piece called the ceiling pan. Another common style is this dome light, which is often referred to as a boob light. The screw on the bottom holds the glass shade in place, so you can undo that and remove the whole covering. I removed the light bulbs to give myself more working room and also unscrewed this metal downrod. A lot of older ceiling lights also use reflective foil and insulation because incandescent bulbs can get really hot. Just go ahead and clear that out of your way until you can again access the two screws which attach the ceiling pan to the junction box. You can see there's more insulation up here, but if you're using newer LED lights, then you won't need any of this, so you can just throw it away. Now more than likely, your light will still be connected to the ceiling by 3 wires. First you have your black, which is the hot wire, the white is your neutral, then you have a bare wire, or possibly green, which is the ground wire. To separate these wires, you can just untwist these yellow caps, which are called wire nuts, and these are used to connect wires together. You should now have your old fixture completely removed from the ceiling, and you can dispose of it. I'll be replacing them with these low profile LEDs, but you can use whatever light you want. These come with a light fixture as well as a mounting bracket. Feed the ceiling wires through the middle of the mounting bracket, and then we can use the 2 machine screws to attach it to the ceiling electrical box. This light has all the wires already pre-stripped for you. Again, you have the black hot wire, the white neutral, and the green ground wire. Use the wire nuts to attach the exposed ends of the same colored wires to each other. All you need to do is face them in the same direction, feed them into the wire nut, and twist to connect. I like to give them all a little tug just to make sure the connection is secure and nothing will come undone. Feed all the wires into the recess of the ceiling electrical box and attach the light to the mounting bracket by lining up the tabs and twisting. Some LED lights may have changeable color temperatures, so make sure you choose that before installing the light. You can see this one here has 5 options, ranging from warm to extra cool white. But that's all there is to it. You can reconnect power at your circuit breaker and enjoy your new lighting. This really is a fast and simple way to make an upgrade to your home. As you've seen, the electrical work and overall installation is really basic and anybody can do it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.